SPY QQQ insane day on the market today. We were waiting for Powell. So one thing, guys, you need to know whenever somebody is speaking, some big Fed guy, you always need to know it ahead of time. That's why I publish our week ahead, and it tells us that Powell is going to speak at 1:30. And of course, we have our breaking news alerts and everything, so we know that Powell is going to come up. So we are ready for that, and that's how we trade. So looking at the SPY, basically it broke down, coming back to the support level. QQQ as well, coming down the support level. Every day we have this bad news. So yesterday we suddenly have this news on Nvidia, and Nvidia cannot sell its H2O in China. So that kind of freaked the market, and the market was doing fine. It was flashing and bouncing, but then Powell came and he basically said, we are not supporting the market. You're on your own, and market took a hit after that. But anyways, our plan was pretty straightforward on the market. VIX 3130 big levels, over 32 market short, cautious longs. Only long if VIX breaks 31 and under. Watch the amateur move, 10 AM concepts, all that. Initially VIX pulled back, it held 31, and then it bounced again once we started to break 31. So that was fine. But later in the day, it reclaimed 30, pushed over 31, pushed over 32, and you know, you have to be short the market when this happens. I was really very patient this morning. I saw the bounces. I didn't want to buy the dips in the market at the open. You see the amateur candle was a bounce. If you took the amateur candle, you would have lost the money. I said the traders 512 calls, no short, watch VIX. As soon as the SPY started to break down of the 512s, that's your short right here. But again, there's not much room. That's when I said short from 512s, and then we pulled back and we pushed right here to the pre-market lows. You see that from 531 and 529. Not a big move, but then the pre-market lows is holding, so you know that you have to cover, and we stopped out on the shorts right here. So after that, we basically didn't do anything because it did give us 512 call. I was not really interested in that. I clearly told the community, we are under the clouds, we are inside candle, inside this pre-market level, so I'm not really interested, and I will come back when Powell comes. So when Powell came, then you see this MTF cloud rejection, and this is when I told the traders short it. When we were breaking this 512s, I told the traders short it. Your stops can be over this opening candle of 533 right here, and then we flushed again into the support area. Our 512 short was successful. This was our 512 fade right here. MTF reject alert right here at 42s. So that was our short right here. Then you cover your short, you wait, and then came Powell. And as soon as you break this support, this one, you take a short right away. You need to know macro, you need to understand what Powell is saying. And that's when I told everybody, only shorts, no long. Do not try to buy the dip. And at that time, how we take the targets is using our ATR. I told traders we still have at 60% ATR. SPY only traded like 30-40% by that time. QQQ only traded 40% by that time. And even after Powell, the SPY was only trading at 60% of ATR. That means we can go to 100% ATR. I told traders, hold it, hold some, be looking on the way, but hold. Still a lot of ATR left. By end of the day, we got 96% ATR. So you could literally make a lot of profit here with this flush. 530, that was a $10 flush. The 528 put went from $3 to $9, almost 300%. So those are the opportunities, and today was insane day for opportunities, and half of the community was short on that, and we killed it because this is a repeatable setup. MTF breakdown, Powell comes, you don't think twice, VIX is going higher, you just take that setup. If you're uncomfortable going short, then you trade leverage ETF, you trade SQQ long from 37, risking right here 40-50 cents. You could easily make a couple dollars. At the end of the day, we have the 512 calls, but that was the day, guys. You just need to respect the system. No one in our community buys the dips.
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.